Hi, I am back again with my new video. And in today's video, we have a very special guest. Ta-da-da-da! Why don't you introduce yourself first?
Hello guys, I'm the Vyachit Langad and I'm your
Best friend?
of course. कुछ भी अलग बोलती तो we know what would happen after the video. Yes.
Okay, so sticking to the rituals. Hi, I am Saloni. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And you know, in the long video segment, we do talk heart to heart. ओके सो लेट्स बिगिन. आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट स्पेशल एंड फनफुल होने वाला है. सो इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू चेक हाउ वेल वी डू नो ईच अदर. या
Yes.
लेट्स बिगिन. So we were checking how well we do know each other, and let's begin with the first question. What is that one decision that has changed your life? While you think, let me guess.
Okay.
I think it is leaving HUL. You tell us.
Oh, one thing. I think definitely तेरे से छुटकारा ले लिया मैंने HUL छोड़ के. That was the good decision. Just kidding. So हाँ, I think हाँ HUL छोड़ा. Then I think it was a big decision. MBA लेना, leaving a good job, वो भी HUL से. So हाँ, that would be it.
Which means I do know you well, right?
Of course. Okay, so अगला सवाल मेरे तरफ से.
Okay.
What is a hobby you never expected would bring you so much joy? Let me guess. Content creation for sure. I think that would be the answer. But anyway, क्या है?
Well, yes, I would not deny. It's been 6 or 7 months roughly. खाना छोड़ दिया, जीना छोड़ दिया, Netflix छोड़ दिया. But having said that, it's true. Like I would not deny. Sorry, content creation does brings me joy. So yes,
Yeah,
it's
I
a yes.
can see that in your videos.
Okay, so here we are with the question number 3, and this is, what one song or movie that always lifts your mood? Let me guess.
Yes, yes.
Any BTS song?
हम तेरी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं बेटे. So I think currently my song that I'm like most go to is Ishka Ve.
We don't know this song. Can you please sing for us?
Famous है यार गाना.
No, we want this.
Let
Please
me
sing.
think lyrics. हाँ
Please
ठीक है.
sing.
2 ही लाइन.
Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है.
Go ahead.
इश्का विछड़िया तू ककदा निसानो. इश्का विछड़िया तू ककदा निसानो. Thank you.
Apart from my listed question, I have a personal question. ये इश्कावे ये इश्कावे वाला नॉर्थ इंडियन इम्पैक्ट आ कहाँ से रहा है? We need to
वीडियो के बाद.
yes, we need to discuss it after video for sure. I think it's your turn.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. कौन सा question पूछूं? If you could spend a day doing anything,
Hmm.
no limit,
Hmm.
what would it be? Let me guess. पूरा दिन कॉफी पीते रहना, वो भी शक्कर के बिना. गॉड नोस कैसे, बट ठीक है.
I think you know me well, but honestly, पूरा दिन कोई कैसे कॉफी पी सकता है?
सच्ची पूरा दिन पीती रहती है भाई.
Okay, so this one thing which I can absolutely do, and only if my body allows. I think I can do dance practice entire day. I just love dancing, and you know it. Like we have done it so many times, right?
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, I would not deny coffee pina bhi is a part of list. You know me pretty well. Okay, moving towards the next question. What's a favorite memory from childhood that still makes you smile? I think I know it. Remember एक दिन जब तू पेड़ पे चढ़ी थी और वहां से गिर गई थी और टांग तुड़वा ली थी.
ये कब हुआ अभी? Guys, this has never. It can happen, but it has not happened.
I mean, how would I know your childhood memory? Come on, we are not friends since then. You answer it.
Let me think. I mean, right now, बचपना के बारे में सोचो तो वेदा ही आती है मेरे मन में.
Tell them who is Veda.
वेदा इज माई बेबी गर्ल. मेरी दीदी की बेबी है. एंड आई मीन अभी तक तो मुझे कुत्ते ही पसंद आते थे. पहली बार मेरे को इंसान का बच्चा पसंद आया. So yeah, that is my favorite right now. Now let's go to the last question of the day. If you could design your dream day from start to finish, what would it look like? Let me guess. उठो जंगकुक के साथ, कॉफी पियो जंगकुक के साथ, खाओ जंगकुक के साथ, सो जाओ जंगकुक के साथ. Wait.
Really? You don't have to. You don't have to do that.
Look at this.
You are not supposed to expose my personal life here. Come on.
Okay, tell us.
No, but you are 100% right that way. Like it's my dream. I know ऐसा कभी हो नहीं पाएगा, लेकिन we are talking about dreams, right? सपने में तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So it's my don't kill me for this. It's my wedding day with Jungkook. It's इस दिन के बारे में I always dream it like this, and you have no idea how much courage I have to like gather today to speak up on this on my video. So yes, सपना तो किसी का कुछ भी हो सकता है ना यार. मतलब I'm a fan girl, a proud fan girl, so why not? Like I love you Jungkook.
Oh god. शादी करा लो भाई.
दोबारा बोल.
शादी करा लो, जंगकुक को बोलती हूँ मैं.
Okay guys, so with this we are signing off, and if you like it, what did you like about this video, please let us know in the comment section. And any signing off notes from Divya, let's hear.
Oh god, ये बंदी है. कुछ नहीं guys, if you wanna see me more in the video, please comment, like, share, subscribe, everything. चलो bye bye, love you.